Hey Glammies, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a little bit since I posted a video, and the reason being is I just wanted to be in the moment with my new family, meaning my son and my husband and myself, with the holiday season. And I hope that you all had a wonderful, festive, loving holiday season, as well as a happy new year. I know I sure did. The holidays this year took on a whole new meaning for me with having a son. And just seeing him and, you know, with my husband and myself, it was amazing. Much needed time off, but I'm definitely ready to go. I'm excited for what 2019 has to offer, you know, from not just myself personally, but for, you know, my husband and I and my family, as well as for all of you who watch my videos. So I want to start 2019 off with a super simple, basic, everyday makeup routine. I did a video about 2 or so months back, right before I took some time off, of like my everyday like mom makeup, and I really like even tweaked that to make this like the easiest makeup on the face of the planet. Like, it's so easy, so beginner friendly, so you know, yeah, it's just I have a good mix of drugstore products as well as some higher end makeup. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So to start, I have my skin prepped. I washed it and I moisturized, and then I put some Pore lip balm on my lips. So to first I'm going to go with my Ultra Precise Brow Pencil by E.L.F. Yes, I'm still using this. Yes, I love it. Yes, it's $5, and yes, I'm going to continue to use it because it's good. So I'm just going to go make super quick little feathered strokes. I'm honestly just filling in the sparse areas of my brow. I'm not doing anything intense. You can already see it looks nice. And I'm brushing down the top part of my brow hairs. You can hear my dog click-clacking away. And I'm going to just, see, so much better. You look alive. And we're just gonna go in and make sure all the sparse areas are filled in. And like I said, you don't want anything too crazy. My husband, it was so funny, on New Year's Eve, I like did my brows like this, and my husband goes, babe, your brows look good. And I was like, well, thank you. It took me like 2 minutes. And he was like, well, why were you doing them? Keep doing them that way. And I was like, wow, what's that mean from how they looked before? So same thing on the other side. Brush the hairs up. Now, the reason why I've tweaked my makeup routine is in my postpartum journey, which I'm going to do an entire video on my postpartum journey because, yeah, that's all I'm going to say. It's just a big fat head roll with an eye roll. I have developed psoriasis. You can see I have a red spot right there. I have a dry patch right here, and then I have a dry patch right here. My mom's over at my house right now. So I'm just going to fill this in. But what I was saying is, in my postpartum journey, I have developed horrible psoriasis as well as horrible dry skin. I had psoriasis. I was diagnosed with it when I was in like elementary school. I want to say like 2nd or 3rd grade. Had it, went through puberty, it went away, and you know, postpartum is like in a form of adult puberty, and now it's come back and it's literally taken over my entire body. But that's okay, because I have my baby and it's all worth it. So just gonna make sure that my eyebrows look somewhat even. But yeah, and bam, done. Cool. I'm not going to set my brows just yet because I am going to powder my face, and I always like to set my brows after I powder because the powder like glues onto it and it's not cute. So next I'm going to go in with my NYX Pore Filler. Love this stuff. I literally put this right onto my face. I get it down there, and I just put this in, ooh. Put this in the areas where I have larger pores because yes, postpartum did that to me as well. Your girl's got some fat pores now. It's okay though. It's okay. As well as like the blackheads. My mom. The blackheads I have in my postpartum, I feel like my skin has just been rocked in postpartum. Like, no joke. Oh, I have a dry patch right here. I like this pore filler. It does not stick to my dry patches. It does not emphasize my dry patches, and it does not make me oily. So really just in my T-zone. Next, I'm going to go in, I am not using any foundation at all. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in the shade 1 Light. And I'm literally going to just conceal where I have redness. So I'm going on also a little bit under my eye. So I have a little blemish right here, around the bottom part of my nose, top of my nose, and then right in between my eyebrows because I have redness right along my brows, and then just a little bit on my cheeks. You can like barely see. My nose always itches anytime I put concealer on. I hate it. It looks like I'm picking my nose. And I'm just gonna take, this is literally like a brush I got for free. I'm just gonna circle the motions. And just make sure. Now I'm even gonna take it up and then whatever concealer's under my eye, I'm gonna close my eye. And we're gonna put that on my lid to help cancel out some of the discoloration. But one thing I like is the discoloration on your eyelids is a quick little hack to make it look like you got some eyeshadow on. Ain't that something? Just up and down my nose. Also go in circular blending motions because you don't want to get any, like, I call them racing stripes. And make sure it's, you always want to make sure it's blended around your nose and that crease right there. And the same thing, bring it up onto my eye. And it really just helps to even out your skin. Next, I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer. This is in the shade Light Warm. This is, if you can see, just my Urban Decay is just a hair lighter. And the lighting in here is like awful. But this concealer is a little more yellow, whereas this concealer is a little more red. So this is going to cancel out any like discoloration that I have. So I'm going to put this just right in my tear ducts to help really brighten my under eye because my son is a good sleeper, but he still wakes up in the middle of the night, and so I do have dark circles. And I'm literally just going to put the lightest little bit. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to just really hug that into my tear duct. Next, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Marker Powder. Yeah, that's a mouthful. And I'm in the shade 2. And I'm literally going to just use the same brush that I used for my concealer. And mine's broken. But I'm going to dust this under my under eye to set that concealer because my under eye concealer does tend to crease. And I'm just going to pull that, bring that down. And then one whole side of my face. Same thing on the other side. The key is just to really get this powder in my T-zone, as well as make sure to set your eyebrow, and then a little bit more in between my forehead. Now we're done. Now to warm up your face, this part is totally optional, but I have been doing this. I'm going to take the Catrice, this is a Sun-Kissed Bronze in shade 10, and an angled, this is an angled blush brush. And I'm going to use this as my bronzer, blush, highlight, all in one. I'm just going to make sure to connect it right here. And same thing on the side. And I made the 3. Oh, my nose is running. And you see it just puts like a nice like sheen to the face. Or glow, not sheen. That's not a good word. That's not a cute word. No one wants sheen. Oh, my nose. And some of you might be like, wait, you have dry patches, why are you using powder? Because I'm very, very light-handed with the powder, and I do still set my makeup with a setting spray. Sweet, done. Bronzer, blush, highlight, all in one, whole kit and caboodle. Now I'm going to go in with my Ulta brow shaping. Oh my god, my nose is literally running so bad. I'm gonna go in with the Ulta Beauty Brow Shaping Gel in the shade Clear. You guys know I love this stuff. I'm gonna do a quick dusting through my brows. Or a quick, not dusting, what the world am I saying? A quick swipe through, whatever. You guys know what the word I'm looking for. I'm gonna put this on my brows. This literally is gonna like glue my brows down. I'm gonna go with my Anastasia. This is their eyebrow pencil or eyebrow brush. I don't know what number it is because it's completely worn off. But I'm just gonna really brush up the hairs with the spoolie side. And just a nice feathered brow. Now I'm going to I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now, oftentimes, I will not put mascara on, but today, because I'm going to film after this, another video, I'm going to put mascara on. I'm using my Shiseido eyelash curler. I really like this eyelash curler. So, what are some of your guys' 2019 resolutions? I don't know. Okay, so I follow Jenna Jameson on Instagram. Yes, I follow her. I look up to her as a mother. I think she's really a great mother with her daughter, Batel. Anyways, she said she doesn't like the word resolutions, and I agree. She calls them goals. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm all about goals. I like that. I'm going to go with Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. So what are some of your guys' 2019 goals? That's going to be my next videos. I'm going to go all in depth about what my personal 2019 goals are, because 2019 was a year, or 2018 was a year of much growth for me. I became a mother. You know, it was my first year of marriage. My mom did move in. She's actually lived here with us for a year. And you love it. And so I can't do two things at once. Obviously, I cannot talk and put mascara on. But I realized that I needed to focus on, or I lost focus on a couple things. And in 2019, I really need to redirect my focus to what's important. And in my video that I'm going to do, I'm going to go much more in depth as to what I'm talking about. Because you guys might be like, what is this chick talking about? I just had some personal I call them coming to Jesus moments. You know, both professionally and personally, and you know, within my marriage. And I think it will just all end up making me a much better person in the long run. Okay, Glammies, so I went ahead and I brushed out my lashes. I had to plug my iPad in. Next I'm gonna go in, this has literally been my favorite lipstick color for a while now. I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Kylie Nude. It's like a beautiful pink, like mauve pink. I just love it. I'm not lining my lips. I'm just gonna really just so pretty. This is her new matte formula and I love it. It's not nearly as drying as her original matte formula, which I like for when I'm at work because it literally lasts for forever. But this one's just so nice. And I also set my makeup while my iPad was recharging, and I just used Urban Decay setting spray. But yeah, that is my new everyday mom makeup. No shadow, no liner, no lashes, just clean skin with a really pretty pink lip. So yeah, if you liked this video, go ahead and like down below. Leave your comments. I would love to hear, you know, what your 2019 goals are. I'm super excited. I'm going to completely revamp my Instagram page and my YouTube channel to really just incorporate everything that I like and not just makeup, have it be more lifestyle. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell so you never forget, or sorry, never forget, but you never miss out when I post a video. See you later, Glammies.